A whole lot more people than usual have to entertain kids at home these days. And these DRICORE subfloor panels can help you do that in a way you might not have thought of before. They're normally used to finish basements, but there are other applications too, and you can have some fun with them. One of the challenges of having kids playing more than usual inside is giving them some sort of a surface to play on, and that's where subfloor panels can help. They provide a flat, smooth, hard surface to play on if you've got carpet, especially wall-to-wall carpet. But they also provide a place where kids can play and bang around and do crafts and all kinds of things without messing up the surface underneath. Panels like these fit together tightly enough that they're not going to come apart on their own, even without glue. So you do need to tap them together on their edges just so they fit together properly. You might want to consider sanding the edges a little bit to remove any splinters if you're going to be using this bare as a play surface. The textured surface on the other side of these panels works really well with marbles. Kind of makes them interesting, and here you can see the panel is inclined slightly and creates a kind of a simple game for rolling the marbles down.
Whoa.
A white paint marker is a really good tool for creating a kind of a throwing game. Here we've got some hacky sack type things that are being thrown, and you can keep score with this like you would with any one of a number of games. The way we play it is if a hacky sack is touching the line, it's scored on the lower side of the line, and you add it up and declare a winner. This is another marble game that works really well on the underside of these DRICORE panels. If you drill 3/4 inch diameter holes in the bottom of the panel using a spade bit, you've created pockets now, and you can play a game where you try to get the marbles into the pockets. It's kind of fun if you have two of these going at the same time. You can make it a race. You can all start off with, say, 5 or 6 marbles, see if you can get them in, see who finishes first. The way we play it is if one marble falls off, you automatically lose. You can install these tiles over as much or as little of your basement as you want. It all comes down to how large of a play area that you'd like to have. And you just let the kids loose and they enjoy it as much upstairs on the carpet as they do down in the basement. DRICORE subfloor panels are also useful for expanding the usable area in sheds and outbuildings and even garages. Any floor that has a concrete surface isn't great for these activities, but the subfloor panels just make it a whole lot more comfortable for playing, but also for exercising, dancing if you've got a large enough area, and just generally getting more use out of the covered space that you've got.